Hello everyone, this is Dr. Locks. Welcome to our channel and welcome to a challenge lock picking video. Today we have round 2 by the Fighting Lock Picker, which is this beautiful Union 5-pin oval cylinder. I've got the privilege of being the first pick on this one, so thank you very much to the Fighting Lock Picker for considering me. And let's see if we can get it open. So I have picked this one. I picked it and opened it, and it's a tough little pick. I remember picking it at work and getting it into a really deep full set and struggling my arse off to get out of it. I haven't picked it since I got it open, so I wanted to just try and pick it on camera next. Bit of a full set there, and again. Into a deeper full set. I'm just going to find a way out of this one now. I'm pretty sure it goes deeper than this. And there we go. 2 minutes 22 seconds. We got it. That was a difficult pick, I'll be honest. I'm glad I got it. I'm glad I got it in a couple of minutes. I think that's what I did it in originally, probably 2 or 3 minutes. So we equaled that, I'd say. But yeah, cracking little pick that is. A very good attempt for your second effort of making a challenge lock, Fighting Lock Picker. Wonderful. Thank you again for sending me this and give me a nice little challenge. Beautiful pick, beautiful lock. Thank you very much. See you later.